I am making a 10 by 13 aluminum sublimation panel using a picture of my son. So here I'm just getting the panel, and then we have to take the film off of both the front and the back. Which is very difficult to do with one hand. And I forgot to bring the tape and my cleaning cloth with me, so I had to get them. So I'm just gonna wipe down the panel with the cloth to take off my fingerprints, and then we just tape it onto the picture, which was printed with a sublimation printer. And I just tape down the four corners. I find that works the best for me when it